Namaste. Hello. How are you guys today? I hope all of you are doing fine. So, as you know, my name is Saksham, and today we will be hosting a session on Yobe Live, and I'm very much excited about the session as the today's session will be covering about best thing to do in the market from my perspective, and your opinion also matters. If you join me in the conversation, we will make this session a great session and hope you will learn something from this session. So let's begin with the session. Okay. So, yep, as we will start with the market review as our previous videos are conducting in this session, and we will just look after the market, how the market is going, and what is the market is trying to do right now, and what are the things which are happening in the market. Let's have a look on that. So if we talk about the crypto coin market cap website, as you all know, we have a 0% decrease, right? No change in the crypto market over the last day. The volume is nil. It is showing here at 0%. So 0% mainly means there is no volume, there is no buyers in the market right now, I think. And we have a low interest last day. So $865 billion is the market cap right now. I hope it reaches 1 trillion very, very soon so that we can have a big or a little bit pump in the Bitcoin prices and the alt also. They are struggling right now, and let's make some money also. So we have market cap around $865 billion, and which is okay. We can just touch a trillion if we add $135 billion. That's a lot for an individual. Okay. So Bitcoin is currently trading at around $19,112, and Ethereum is around 4 digit. We have Ethereum at around 4 digit, 1,062 dollars. We have Ethereum, and we have other coins, altcoins, Cardano, ADA 0.45 cents. XRP, we have some news about XRP also 0.31 cents. I was reading the news of XRP that their team is just building something new on the platform. We'll see after a short while in the session. And Solana $33 in the trading house. So Dogecoin, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin is trading at around zero point zero 0.06 cents, and we will have a look at the charts of Dogecoin also today, and we will just check will if we will get a pump in the Dogecoin or not. Okay, great audience are coming. Welcome, guys. Let's have a great session, and I like every one of you to put in the comment section that you are enjoying the session, and please ask question if you have any. Sir, okay, great. Polkadot $6.73. Okay. If you want any TA on any coins or something, you can just drop me a message. I'll definitely start the technical analysis on those coins and give you a fair look that how and what is the next move of the coin possibility assumptions from my side. Okay, we have Matic at $0.48 and Uniswap $4.86. Okay, Litecoin, yep. We have every coins, but we have a strong decline in the past week as we see that Bitcoin is dumped around 10% in the recent week, Ethereum is 14% in the recent week, and BNB, Binance, Cardano, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, every coin. If we talk about the wrapped Bitcoin, Avalanche 23% decline. I think this week is a short week. I hope bears are enjoying the market, but not for so long. We are coming. We bulls are coming for you, right? Okay. Litecoin 14%, FTX token, Chainlink. Okay. Every coin is in the recent week, as you guys are seeing that it gets a plunged or a decline of around 14%, 20%, 15%. I know you are thinking that why the decline is coming in the market, and what is the reason behind the decline, right? So I tell you exactly what is happening right now. I'll have a look from my perspective. I will give you a fair look that okay, Solana. Someone said Solana. He wants a technical analysis. Okay, great. We'll do that for you. just give me a couple of minutes and I'll do that. So I was just saying that why the market is declining and what is the reason behind the fall of the market. We will have a look also on that things. On those things we'll cover after a few while. And if we talk about the Huobi token, as we are conducting this session in the platform, so we'll have a look after the token also. Let's have a look what is the price of Huobi currently right now, and what is where is Yobe? Let's find out and let's have a look on that. Okay, we have Yobe token currently trading at $4.34 and we have a decline of around 20% recently. That's the thing. Okay, we'll just open the trading view charts. As you can see, I have opened the the monthly chart in the trading view. But let's have a look at Solana first, as someone on the chat said that. Okay, some chats. Let me just read the chats a little quick, and we will go after that. Yep. Is my mic echoing? Sorry, just give me a minute, guys. Hello. Okay, we are good. We are good. I think there is a network connection on your side, buddy. You can just check with the phone. And I hope everyone is just hearing my voice clearly, right? Just text me yes or no. I'll just figure that out. Okay, Solana, please. Okay, share friends. Good day. Okay, great, guys, great. Okay, so let's have a look at Solana. What is Sol saying about the technical analysis expect? And we'll just let's see. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me clearly. If you can't hear me clearly, just drop me a message and I'll just have my mic cleared for you. Okay, great. So here is the chart of Solana. As you can see, it is a monthly chart, so it looks like this, something like this, but we will be moving to the weekly time frame, so we'll have a better picture. As you can see, I always use the bigger time frame, the bigger pictures to just understand the market. So as you can see, we have a little bit of support at 25 or $24 right here. There is a support, and let's draw a couple of resistance for that. Okay, here is a resistance of around, yep, we have another resistance, we have a bit resistance here, and let's make a bit, yeah, okay. So this is a proper trading zone or levels of Solana for you guys to understand. Here it is, $24, $76, $116, $144, and $206. Okay, so we'll move on to the daily time frame. We will just move into the micro aspects of the coin, so you will have a better understanding that what I am saying and what my charts are trying to explain you. What will be the next move or next possibility for the coin to do in the upcoming weeks? So if we see that we have a little bit of resistance here in this zone, let me just draw a zone. Like, yeah, we have a zone of right. Yeah, okay. So let me just shift a little bit. Great. So why this zone is coming here is like, right, you can just see why this zone has come. Let me just tell you. So we just tried to get a support at 50 moving average in the March. We were able to break the 50 moving average, like here. Just let me show you. Yeah, like here we was just trying to break the zone. We got a retest like here, and we just got a good number of buyers and a good support, and we just hit the 144 level of resistance, and we got rejected, and we just got a support at 50 moving average. As I am saying you guys that 50 moving average is a good support for any coin. It gives a bounce from 50 moving average whenever the price touches the 50 moving average. So here it is, you can see. Let's zoom it out so that you guys can have a better look what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, you can see we have a good support of around like here. We sustained a couple of days, I guess March 20 13 to 15 days we got a support at 50 moving average, but somehow we got rejected from here and we got a retest and then we dumped from the zone, right? So the thing happened is here is like we were unable to hold this support zone, and we just fell down to reach this zone, but somehow we managed to be in a zone because we have recent zone around same location. So that is why we have another location for Solana which is currently in the zone. It broke the zone already, you have seen. It is like this again test and just broke down. We got a test but failed. Now we got a test again but failed again now. So what can happen here is like you can see, if I say that firstly this is a higher high, lower high, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? But what happened here is it is a lower, higher low, higher high, and higher low because the trend has changed here. You can see, but somehow the price got rejected also here. So the trend is yet to be changed. A little bit of confirmation if we get, we will definitely get a good bounce from the 50 moving average and we will reach this zone, this level of 50 or $51. So how that will happen and what can be the reasons of Solana and what things can happen. Okay, great. Thank you for that. It's still bad. Okay, is any other person having issue with my mic? You can just say yes or no. Is my voice clear to you guys, or is it echoing? If is it echoing, you can just write E. Or if you have the voice, if my voice is coming perfect to you, you can just type yes. Let me know in the comment section. Really quick. I'm waiting for you guys. Y or E? Clear voice. Great. Yes. Okay. Great. Okay, we'll continue with that. Okay, I think Steve, your name. You are having an issue with your internet. Can you please check with the internet problem if you have? This is Solana. This is Solana. This is Solana USD. This is not gold. This is not Bitcoin. Last week will it hit again, or shall I buy more at 33? Okay. Okay, I'll tell you what I was saying. So you can see we have a good bounce from the support of 24 or $25, 27, 24 to $27, and you have bought at 28, right? When to go in the market? I'll tell you when to go in the market. Okay. So you can see that Solana is in the zone, got rejected again due to the 50 moving average also in the zone. It got rejected from the zone, and then it is now just floating in an area in a zone. It will definitely pump again, push again, and reach at $40 and test again the 50 moving average. If it breaks the 50 moving average, it will definitely reach at $44 zone, and it will definitely reach the 59 to $54 next target for Solana. So if we want to take a trade, a little bit of trade, let me just set up a little bit of trade. You can just have a quick look, but again, it is not a financial advice or a trading advice. I am just trading my setup roughly. If I just put my stop loss right here, and my target will be around 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.5. Let's make it 1 is to 2.5. Not much greed. Okay. So here is the setup. You can see. If I want to take a trade in Solana, I'll trade this setup. But the market is in bearish cycle, so this trade is quite risky. This trade is right, which agent understands best. Okay, okay. So this trade is quite risky for you guys to enter, and due to the market is currently in a bearish cycle. As you can see, we have last year 6, 7, 20%, 30% in the bearish cycle. So you have to just carefully take this trade. If it works, definitely you will make money. But if it not works, then use a tight stop loss, or you can just wait. Whatever the risk capacity you have, you can just enter this trade. And it is not a financial trade or trading advice, it is just my setup, what I trade, or what I use to trade this, because we have a low volume also. If we get a push from the volume, then I will enter the trade. Okay, moving on. Someone asked when to go in the market. Okay, 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 okay. I'll tell you when to go in the market. Just let me have a sip of water, and we'll continue after that. When to go in the market. You're welcome, welcome. You're most welcome, bro. Okay, so we'll just check, and we'll answer your question first. When to enter in the market? So if I say that Bitcoin is still yet to touch a bottom, will you believe that? No, right? But if I put some facts on it, just give me a moment. I'll just put some facts, but it is not a financial or a true opinion. It is just an assumption of me having a chart and myself just analyzing something. Previous bear cycle, BTC. Okay, I'll tell you what happened in previous sessions. We will be having a 3.6 audience, 3.5K, but I'll request you guys to join the market, right? Okay, so here it is. Bear market first. Duration 185 days, around 6 months or 7 months it was. And peak price was $7 and low was 4.22. So we have a crash of 40% at that time, when it was around January 11, 2012, 2012. And we have another Bitcoin cycle, bear cycle. We have around 2012. This these are not their cycles. Okay, we have this cycle. So look at the crypto winter cycle. Bear market third, November 29, 2013 to January 7, 2015. We have a duration around 1+ years of bear cycle that was. And peak price was $11,000, $1,149, and the low was around $200, $197. So we have seen a downfall of around 83% at that time, and the Bitcoin was crashed almost around 83% for that time. And if we see add another bear market cycle, okay, we don't have the bear market cycle for this one. Just give me a moment, and we will find that one also. Okay, action equity for Bitcoin. Uh, I think it is not mentioned here, but I'll tell you how to avoid there. Just give me a minute. I'll find out for you. If we not find out, I'll tell you vocally that what happened in the bear market cycle. I don't have a YouTube channel right now, but I'll make one for you guys. So yeah, you come from China. Great, great, great. I want everyone from the global to just come in my session and enjoy, and hope you like my videos, and just share it with your friends and family and everyone who wants a knowledge on crypto. So just let me just check quick that what happened. Bear market cycle. Do we have a good chart on think we don't have a chart on that, but I'll definitely find it for you guys on the next session. I'll definitely find it for you guys, the bear market cycles. So let me tell you that in the recent. Yep. Thank you very much for that. I'll respect that, and I hope you guys are enjoying. So let me just tell you that what happened in the previous bull market cycle was bear market cycle was that Bitcoin was dumped around 80 to 90% in the previous, the latest three recent bear cycles. It got dumped around 80 to 90%, and after that it got a recovery. Some cycles took around 6 months to 7 months, and some beer cycles took around 1 year to more than 1 year. Right. After that, we got a push and we just jumped in the moon. Right. So when Bitcoin reached $1,100, it just went down to $200, and then Bitcoin reached to $20,000, and it just got dumped to around $1,000 or $2,000, no, $2,000 or $3,000, something like that. And after that, we got another push of around 60,000, 64,000, $63,000. You can see we just got a push of 63, $64,000 in the last bull market cycle, and we just reached here. Now we just got a little bit of push from September, and we just on November we hit the top, the local top, and we just fell down and we are just falling down. So if I just took a scale from around 69,000 and we just draw it like current market 74,000. So if we just compare this with previous bear cycles, we are still 5 to 10% yet to come in the decline of Bitcoin, and we have to wait for that. Okay, you someone was asking that just give me a moment. I'll check the chats and I'll answer you what you were asking. Just give me a moment. Uh, Someone was asking that is it a good time to enter in the market? I'll tell you. I was just coming to your point from this. So we have still a space of around 5 to 10%, or maybe 15% if it goes to 90%. If we say that history repeat itself, then we will definitely say that Bitcoin can dump more from here. We can see a more dump from $19,000. I'm not scaring anyone that you should take out your money or you should sell your coins, you should sell your investment. No, I'm not suggesting anyone to do anything. I'm just suggesting that if somehow history repeat itself, then we can say that Bitcoin has still space left to go more down from its initial 19,000 US dollar price. So if history does not repeat itself, that we can say that we will definitely have a push and we will move on to the next bull market cycle. So but if what if, right, what if is the main reason we are studying this. So somehow let's just say that we will have 90% decline or 85% decline. When then what will be the price of Bitcoin? Just have a look. If the price will be around 85, we will have a price range of around 13,000 USD, and if we go into 90% crash, we will have a price range of around 6,800 US dollars. So if we just say that we will have 80%, right, 80% decline, we will just definitely reach the 13,000 levels, $13,000 levels, and we will see a new bottom from there. This year's new bottom will be 13,000 or maybe 14,000, or maybe there is no bottom. This was the last bottom. So anything can happen. We are just here to assume what can happen next as a trader, because we as a trader just read the charts, what the charts can say, and I do believe in my charts, but I have already researched some previous cycles also, that how far can Bitcoin go down if we just compare the previous cycles with the current cycle. So if we have a space left of around 13,000, or it can go to below 13,000, just let me open the weekly chart so you will understand. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, yep, we are good. So you can see that we are still in the zone. We are still in the zone of this zone of around 18,000 to 22,000, right? So we haven't seen any response from this zone, that either this zone breaks upside or breaks downside. We are still in confusion. But if it somehow reaches there, 13,000, the next support, the next strong support for Bitcoin, or it reaches here 26,000, the next strong resistance, 50 moving average, and this resistance also 23,000 and 23,000. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what I'm saying that these things, if you want to invest in the market right now, or if you want to just try or test out the market, this is a good time to invest. Why I am saying this, that the reason behind this, why I'm saying this, that market is already low, right? You all have seen that market is already low. Bitcoin is already fell down around 10% from its recent top of the week, recent week. You can just see just what happened. Okay, yeah, you can see that Bitcoin has already dumped around 10% since last week. So this is the time when government is pulling out US dollar. As you know, just let me open the news. MicroStrategy has already added some more Bitcoins in their wallet, and the grayscale. You know about the grayscale, the investing hub. They filed, this US SEC rejects grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. So what this spot Bitcoin ETF does is that the spot, you hold the Bitcoin in spot wallet, and you get a good hold at Bitcoin, right? You hold something, you hold it for a long time. But if you hold the Bitcoin for a short period of time, that happens in futures. Bitcoin ETF futures was already released in November, September, and January, and the Bitcoin spot is not coming or not accepting in the market right now. The reason is that government has already printed so much dollars in the US. I'm not claiming anyone. I'm not. It is just facts and the news which I have read, and due to the unlimited or huge amount of printing in the market, they want the dollars back in their pockets. So they raise the price and the high rate interest rate. They just raise and increase the interest rate from the bank side. So what happens due to the rate hikes, that if you are as an investor have taken loan from some banks, the rate of the interest goes upward, it increases suddenly. Then what you think as an investor, that you pull out your initial investments and just bear out the loans and the interest, because you don't want to pay high rate of interest, right? So you want to pay it as soon as possible. So if you just pay your rate as soon as possible, the thing is that you will get a good amount of savings, right? If you will have a lot to save from that, you will save a good amount of money, and you will put another or left money in safe assets like gold, or you can just say real estate, and you can say what those things are called, mineral oils and everything, gems or something, right? Yeah, these are the safe investment which holds the value for a longer period of time. So Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and many risky investments, you will just put out your money from that. So what are this institution are doing, that they are putting or they are pulling out money from the market. That's why the market is going down and down currently, day by day, due to the rate hikes in the US and the country. So this is the reason Bitcoin dumped, and every coin is dumping due to the rate hikes. And if I show you something, what is happening in the market, the DXY we already discussed in the previous videos. If you have not watched the videos, you can just go and watch those videos. This is what we are saying. that if dollar index, what is dollar index? Dollar index, I already told you guys that dollar index shows you the strength of dollar in the market, and it is currently reaching and just increasing day by day like nothing. So you can see we got a rejection on May, and just on the June we just bounce from the support again. It the resistance acting as a support as of now, it got bounce again, but this resistance is quite strong. So if we say that this is a double top, if we somehow say that this is a double top, then it will get rejected and it will come here as a support, bounce here again, and full drop down. If this happens, then we can see a good pump in the Bitcoin. You know why? Because it is a correlation. If the dollar gets weak, the government already had enough dollars and pulled out enough dollars. Then what happened? The interest rate will fall down, right? Then people will start taking loans again from the banks, right? Then what the financial institution will do? They will just put them up, they will just put the money again in the market, again in the crypto market, again in the other markets, other financial markets. So money will come again in the market, and we as an educator or something, we are also promoting this crypto and everything, the knowledge and the expertise and everything we are providing. So what will happen at that time? People will get influenced and will just put their money in this asset, and everyone be will make good amount will make good amount of profit. So that is the thing which we are seeing right now. If 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 it is a double top, from my view, if it is a double top, we will just get a decline from here and we will test this support 101, because it gave a good bounce from here recently. So if we have a good support, then it will again bounce. But if we somehow break this support, we will definitely go to below $100, below 100 range. If we just go to below 100 range, then we will definitely see that this zone has been broken out. 50 moving average has been broken out, and Bitcoin has reached already $30,000 in a single night. That can also happen in a single night. Okay. So let's move on. What is happening? So I have already told you the relation of dollar index and the Bitcoin. What can happen in the market and how it will react and influence the market. So okay, let's move on to the next segment. What I'm saying. So what you guys have to do in the market is that if you want to buy, you can buy. My personal strategy, or how I invest in the market, or how trade, I am not trading a good volume right now. I only take say like one or two trades in a day and just test the market. What is the market saying? My capital at that trading time is very small. I use a small amount of trading amount, and I'll just test the market, what that market is just doing right now. If it is still in the zone, or it can move, or if we have any volume or volatility, but it is not right now. So what we can do is that my personal investing strategy is that I invest like you guys, how much you guys want to invest. The first thing comes that how much you guys are ready to lose. We already talked this on Yobe talks with the Darko and the great sorry, the amazing people, right? On the last session we have already discussed that if you want to invest in crypto, how much are you willing to lose? If you want to just burn $500 in front of me, that is your capability of losing $500 in the market. But if you can't burn 5,000 or 1,000 US dollar in front of me, then your capability to take a risk is only $500. Okay, so if we just add and just say that we have a $500 portfolio and we want to invest in the market. Suppose we have $500 or we have $1,000. Just take a $1,000 example so you will have a better understanding. So let's just let just give me a moment. I'm just checking the chats, and we will go straight after that. Okay. I want everyone to join the live session and we will have a good amount of knowledge after that. Okay. So what I personally do if I have $1,000, right? If I have $1,000, I'll just do is that I'll make 10 parts of it. $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, 10 times. I have 10 times 10 $100. It will be around $1,000 for me. And now I'll start my investing. If I wanna invest or wanna buy, I'll buy my first buy here. First buy. For example, if I want to invest in 10 coins, I'll make the $100 into 10 and I'll buy 10 each coin for $10 and it will be of around I'll have the 10 coins. I'll have my $100 invested in the market already and I'm ready to lose the $1,000 already, right? So here is the deal. One first buying here. If the market goes again down, somehow let's say it comes here. My second buying will be here. If the market goes again down, third buy will be here, and on and on and on. We will repeat this process until we either get or either just finished out of funds which we are ready to lose or wanna invest. The tenth buying will be some like here. The tenth buying will be somewhat around. You can say if we say that 13,000 is the bottom or the 10,000, we can say the tenth buying will be here. But that if that not happens, somebody say that market start pushing from here, you can buy, you can still buy, you can buy fourth buying here, fifth buying here, six, seven, eight, as you can buy through this strategy. And what happens and what are the benefits of this strategy is that suppose I have put it all my money the sink in this zone. So what happens here that if the market goes up, I'll make profit. If the market goes down, I'll make a loss. I don't have I don't have other money to invest in the market. So what will happen that my buying capacity will be decreased and maybe I'll not make enough profit from that. So the thing is that you have to buy in parts, and 10 dividing your portfolio into 10 is the best thing you can do. From my opinion, my personal buying strategy is this. I'll buy like here, you can say I'll buy like somewhere around here and here and here and here. What happens is my buying average price will increase, my buying average will decrease whenever I buy low. If I buy at 19,000 and buy at 18,000, my buying average will be somewhere around here. My buying average will be this. So when the price goes above this, I'll make profit. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. Make your buying average most, how much you can make your buying average low, and when the price goes up on the level of those level, you will make profit of that, right? This is a fun thing, and your hunger to invest in the market will also be satisfied. So if you want to invest, or if you are an investor in the market, you just want to invest in the market, you can definitely use this strategy to buy in parts into 10 divided by 10, your portfolio divided by 10. And if you want to invest in multiple coins, divide those capital into 10 also, and you can just invest in, and you will have every coin at a lower buying price, a lower average buying price. And when the point and the market goes up, we will again see a 1 trillion market cap. You will make amazing profit for that, from that investing. This is what I am trying to teach you guys. That's how the style and investing style I use preferably to get a good return, a good amount of return on my investing. So let me just have a couple of drink, let me just sip of water and I'll just continue. I hope you guys are understanding what is the trading style I am, or what is the investing style I am applying on my investing skill. Sorry about that. Hope you guys are enjoying the session. Just let me know if you are enjoying the session. You can just write yes, and I'll also be motivated for that from the yeses. Just type yes in the chat, so I know that you guys are enjoying the session. Come on, come on. Okay, okay, okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. I'll just continue. And what I'm saying that we can use this trade investing style to improve our investing in the current market. The current, if the bear market also comes, we will still have enough funds to invest in multiple timings, and our buying price will be decreased day by day. So the chances to make profit in the market will increase, right? These was the things which I was about to tell you in the current session, in the today's session. And I'll just take a couple of few more minutes to just wrap up the session. And if you guys have any question, you can just call me. Just give me a moment, guys. Just give me a moment. Okay, okay, we are good to go. Okay, people, come, people. We are having a watching of 4.6K. I want the session, when the session overs, we want 5,000 people watching us, and then I'll also be motivated from that. Yup, yup, yup. People, come on, guys. I need your support. Then only we can improve, right? Okay, okay, okay. You guys can comment. Okay, great. So I was telling you that you have to invest. You can just apply this investing style, and you can use the trading skills which I have already told you in the previous session. Trading skills. If I talk you about the trading skills, you can use these trading skills, the 50 moving average as your support zone, the 200 moving average as your resistance zone, and the block trading, this zone trading, and have you can also watch the DXY index for better understanding of why the market is moving down or up, right? So these are the things which I have already shared with you, and we will just have a look of what are the global market Bitcoin news. Bitcoin miners sell their holding amid crypto winter chill. Okay, meme coins. USSEC reject USSEC rejects grayscale spot media Bitcoin. Crypto week volatility jors crypto market. Macro strategy Bitcoin holding take a record 3.4 billion hit. Nice. Global, okay, Bitcoin poised for biggest quarterly drop in more than a decade. Bitcoin recovers climb 7.6%. Bitcoin shares a trillion. Free fall laterals crypto the core. Okay, we don't have enough or any special or any good kind of news around right now. But if I will see, if we see the chats, or if we see the charts, so what will happen next? Best thing to do in the market, I already shared with you. Invest in 10 parts. I'll just quickly summarize the video. Invest in parts in the market right now. If you want to invest, if you want to start your investing journey, invest in parts, and don't go all in. Invest in 10 parts. I have already shared with you. You can just after the session, you can rewatch the session if you didn't understand it. Invest in parts. If you want to trade safe, use tight stop loss, and don't just just get addicted to the trading. You have to control your emotions while you're trading, and fix the whatever the profit you want in the market. Just fix it, so you will achieve that profit, and after that you just get a break from the market. Trading is done, investing is done, and read. If I'll suggest you Crypto News is an application you can download, or Huobi is also a platform. We already update our charts, and Huobi you can just open Huobi and scroll the news, whatever the news is coming, the latest news, the government news, whatever the news is coming, you can just go through it. You can just scroll down, and you can have a look. What is the fundamental things which are affecting the Bitcoin, and what are the technical aspects we guys are here to teach you what can happen next. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. And if you guys enjoyed the session, just give me a like and drop a like. And many people are coming right now. I think they are late, but no problem. We will definitely have a 5K watching next time. Hopefully 10K watching also. But yeah, that's it from my side, guys. This was the thing which I was gonna tell you, the investing and the trading and the market. Hopefully it will go to the moon. Maybe this year, maybe next year, whatever happens, we all will see the market together. So this was all from my side, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Leave a like from us and see you in the next session. Have a great day. Trade safe, stay safe, and make money. Have a great day.